Hello everyone, welcome to another update video on Pixelverse, and it's interesting to know that Pixelverse launched yesterday or listing on various exchanges yesterday. The 18th of July was a successful one, and the token keeps pumping. Right now I think it's selling at 0.04 something USD, and it's pumping even as I'm talking to you. And in this video, I'm just going to be taking you through step by step how you can go about claiming, and the things I need to do in this video includes showing you how you can connect your wallet. After all, the connection we did earlier was completely, and it's completely useless as I'm talking to you, because of course we expected that a claim button should be enabled, and as I'm talking to you it's live, and it's actually cool. So if you click here, if you log into your Pixeltap mini app on Telegram, you're going to see this claim button pop up. And of course, when you click on it, let me tell you, this is purely based on referrals and your activities on the platform, and it's more of referral stuff, because I see no reason why I should have what I have, okay, especially on the Telegram bot. I think the one on the dashboard is a bit fair, okay. So look at my coin balance. So this coin balance is almost useless, okay. These things are useless, okay. It's basically more of referral stuff. So those that have tons, I mean thousands of referrals, there are those that have around 5k, okay, 5k. So if I click here, you're gonna see what I have. Okay, this is my NFT, and one of the early adopters according to them. If I click next, this is my NFT, and this is second to the last level, epic. Okay, I tried to upgrade to the last level, which is legendary. I was never allowed. So if I click next, you can see this is what I have now. 690 Pixfi times 0.04 that's around $27. Okay, that's around $27 if I am to withdraw the entire 690. But remember, they say that if you must withdraw when, if you must claim when this countdown time of around as at this moment around 151 hours, which is around 6 days, 6 point something days. If I am to withdraw from this, it's going to be 10% of this. 10% of this should be 60 something pixels, which is around 1 point something dollars. That is ridiculous, completely ridiculous, right? So, but that is it. That is what it is. So those that have thousands of referrals, okay, they actually have around 5,000 or something like that. So it's basically a referral stuff, but that is how you go about claiming it. Okay, now it has to be around 25th of this month when this countdown time will expire, and then you should be able to claim. Okay, then this countdown, okay, should be reclaimed, whereby you claim into your wallet, right? So that's just for that. Now I don't think I'll continue with the daily combo, but you can still continue with all your activities to know if you can increase your earning. Of course, that's what they say, and they say there's going to be a pop-up of automatic staking mechanism. So until then, we'll get to know. But let's get to the dashboard by clicking here. And by the way, if you don't have a dashboard, you've not been able to access your dashboard, there will be a link if you join my Telegram channel where you can click to access your dashboard. And not just that, if you want to get the contract address, okay, which of course I'm going to use to add this token to either the Bybit or the Metamask right in this video. If you don't have access to a contract address, click in the bio on the description box of this video, or in the comment section. I'm going to see a link to join my Telegram channel, and it's going to be there as the pinned message, the first pinned message throughout this period, right? So we click here to access the dashboard, and over here at the dashboard, I know I've made a couple of videos where I showed you guys what you need to be doing. You can see that this is what I have on the dashboard right now. Okay, I don't even know if some of the activities we used to do here will still work, but if I click, you're gonna see, just click yours, you're gonna see So let's click on our pet to know if we can still do some of those activities. Today we are walking, so I'm going to click on walk. Maybe I'll have to change the avatar, but that's not the reason why we are here. Now let's go back to the profile. To connect your wallet, you simply click here. And then if you click the first connect, you can connect to your Metamask. Okay, you can connect to Wallet Connect, Bybit, and OKX. Do not go for OKX because of the saga in Nigeria, especially if you are from Nigeria. If you are not from Nigeria, it's very seamless to connect to OKX wallet. So, but let's go back. Let's go back and see. Let's connect Ton first. Okay, we're gonna connect Ton. Click on the second one, which is Ton, and we'll be redirected to our Ton keeper, and I'll choose the Ton wallet that I have created for it, which is, of course, if I click here, I will have access to all my wallets, and then I will look for the one I created for Pixelverse. This is it, and then I will click connect. I will enter my what is required of me, and that is it. It's been connected already. Then I'll be redirected to the browser where I came from, and of course I used Google, so let me still go with Google. So if I click here now, we're back to Google. If I click here, you're going to see that the wallet is connected. My Ton wallet is connected, right? And to connect to either Bybit or Metamask, I'm just going to click here again. Okay, now I want to connect to my Metamask. You can connect to Bybit anyways, but I prefer Metamask. Although I'm still going to show you how you can add the token to your Metamask or to your Bybit if you choose to connect Bybit, right? There is a way you can connect Bybit, but I'm not doing that. I prefer Metamask. So let me just click on Metamask, and then I'll choose Metamask, and then I'll be logged into my Metamask account. Yeah, you'll be redirected back to this place, and then you will choose your, you will just click on connect to your wallet. I've actually named this wallet to Pixelverse on my Trust wallet, I mean on my Metamask. So, and then I'll be required to sign in. Okay, you have to sign it, sign the agreement, and you just click to sign. That is it. It's been connected already. Okay, but we can't see the Ton wallet that we connected. So all we need to do is to click on the Ton wallet again. Okay, and then we'll go back to Ton and reconnect again, right? So yes, we'll choose the Ton wallet we want to connect, and then yes, there's Pixelverse, and we connect, and that's going to be it. So you can see both wallets connected now, right? So this is my Ton wallet, and this is my Metamask wallet. So that's going to be for that. It's actually a to and fro stuff, and this site, the Pixelverse, they are not always straightforward. You have issues, but then you just follow this step, try it, and you are going to have your wallets connected, both from the Web3, that is the other MetaMask, or from your Bybit, and then your Ton wallet as well. So that's for that. Then how do you add the token to either your MetaMask or your Bybit? Okay, so we're going to start with Bybit first and foremost. So like I said, I have the contract address already, and if you do not have access to it, all you need to do is to join my Telegram channel, and then you have it as a pinned message. So let's start with Bybit first, and to do that, maybe you added your Bybit as your wallet right on the Pixel dashboard, or you want to use it for your, claiming. You need a Web3 wallet, and if you don't have an account with Bybit, you can also check in the bio to get a link. Sign up with them. It doesn't take time to open up a wallet, a Web3 wallet on Bybit. So from your exchange account, this is exchange now, you click on Web3, right? I have about 3 wallets here, the keyless and the rest. So I'll click on, this is the home page now, right? If I click here, I'm going to see the wallets. This is the wallet I'm going to use, right? And I have a couple of them. I have the seedless and all that. So you click here, you click on this draw down menu. You click on the draw down menu and then you choose the network. If you look here, you can see all networks, okay? But it's Ethereum that we're looking at. So I'm going to click here to make sure we are on Ethereum. Choose it. Okay, this is it. Just choose Ethereum and you're going to see add a custom token. I'll click on add custom token. Then this is it already. I'll paste the contract address, okay, which I already have, and then I'll click on confirm. I'll click on confirm here. So when I do that, you're going to see everything about all the details, okay, of the Pixfi will appear. This is the contract address. I will paste it. This is the name and then the decimal precision, and we click confirm. Okay, we click confirm, and we have it added. If we go to our lists, you're going to see it. If you scroll down, okay, you don't even need to scroll down, it's already here. This is it, this is the Pixfi. So that's it, that is for Bybit wallet. So if you used Bybit, as soon as you claim, it will come over to this place, and from there you can click on it to withdraw it, and that's going to be sent, okay, where you must have gone to the exchange, either Bybit or Bitgate, wherever, to copy the withdrawal link or withdrawal address. You come here and paste, okay, you paste it here and put the amount you want to withdraw, and you send it to your centralized exchange for your transaction. So that is for Bybit. Now for Metamask, so you just head over to your Metamask, and then to add a new token on Metamask, all you need to do is click on import tokens, okay, from your home page, and over here you switch to custom token, right? You click on custom token. This is just a kind of risk warning. You paste the contract address over here, right? And you wait for it to pop up. Just as you can see, the name has appeared, the decimal token, the token decimal. Then you click on next, and then you're gonna see it appear. This is Pixelverse, Pixfi. Then you click on import. So when you click on import, it's going to be imported straight up, and you can see right on your home page you have Pixelverse imported, okay, and it's unable to find conversion rate. It's a new token actually, but then it's going to appear with time. So that's how you go about doing it, so that by 25th, if you feel like withdrawing what is given to you, but take note that it is 10% of whatsoever that is given to you that you'll be able to withdraw, and they say the remaining 9% will be recycled to the community. But then with time, you can still have access to the 90%. That's the part people are not talking about. But if you read down that airdrop conditions, it is also written there. So that's going to be all for this video. And if you have any question, concern, you can leave it in the comment section. If you have found value in this video, also give it a thumbs up. And if you need the contract address, or you need to ask more questions, okay, you need more details, then we can do that on the Telegram. All you need to do is to click in the bio. I'm going to say link to my Telegram channel, and it's free, completely free. You get the contract address, and then you do all this. Many thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.